The pressure gauge. During the dive, it is important that you can estimate how long your remaining air supply will last. To be able to do this, we must have an instrument that works in the same way as the fuel gauge does in our car. This instrument is a submersible pressure gauge, or SPG. The submersible pressure gauge is connected by a high-pressure hose to the first stage and tells the diver the pressure of the air in the cylinder. The sector of the pressure gauge faced near zero is usually coloured red. This area is considered the diver's reserve. When the pressure falls within this sector, it's as if the warning light of the fuel gauge in your car is flashing. It's time to return to the surface. To prevent the air escaping quickly if the instrument or hose breaks, the connection point is just a tiny hole. This also means that the needle of the gauge rises and falls slowly when we open the cylinder valve or purge the regulator. As well as mechanical pressure gauges with a rotating needle, there are also electronic ones, and some do not even need to be connected by a hose, because they use radio waves that are sent by a transmitter fitted to the first stage. Just as you cannot set off on a trip in a car without a fuel gauge, you cannot dive without a pressure gauge.